Hey guys, this time we will cover how to actually build your builds that you want to use in your ad campaign. So in PlayableMaker, it doesn't matter if you are building from video playables, if you are building from templates, or if you are building from the Playable Builder. The build process is always the same, and it starts and ends with clicking this button right on top. So let me open any project. Let's open actually some project that is a template. So for example, Solitaire. This is my ad. Let's say I already customized it. This is something that I would like to build and use in my campaign. What I would do now is click the build, click build playable ads. If everything is, let's say, sorted out, so the size of the playable is okay, usually less than 5 MB. I'm not missing any links, which you can see right now I'm missing. I should be able to build. You can build even by this because sometimes you can use build for internal purposes, but let's just for the sake of having everything correct, let me show you the example of successful build. So this is, I inserted links to my application. You can copy paste links, you don't need to search the database. And now you select ad networks that you would like to build for. So in my case, let me select Facebook and Liftoff. I would now start the build, and in a couple of seconds you can minimize this and you can wait for the result that you see right here on top. Usually it takes around really like 30 seconds to 1 minute tops. So if you feel that something is happening too long, let's say longer than a couple of minutes, then please refresh or contact us. Something is definitely wrong on server side. Then now I have built my ads. So if I now click download, I will be able to download the package, which is not the build yet. The build is inside that package. So if I now open the thing that I downloaded, let me bring it to you. As you can see, I have got 3 build files there. If you remember, I selected Facebook and Liftoff. So on Facebook campaign, I would use this file. On Liftoff Bangle, I would use this one. And web inline is just something that is always there. You can open the Playable on your web browser and basically have a look, but you don't use this for any kind of campaigns. This is just for your internal preview purposes. Every build automatically has web build as well. So this is basically a successful build. Now I will go to my campaigns on Facebook, on Liftoff, and I would publish my ads. Let's pretend that something is wrong as well. So let us upload a video here. So this is my Playable, and I just for some reason want to build this. We would already tell you that okay, you can go ahead and continue building, but we will check if basic, let's say, mechanisms for, I don't want to say for good Playable, but for a Playable that's it should have some sort of certain aspects like some interaction, some end screen, URLs, and so on. So let me close this one, and I will add a break with some button in the beginning. Now I will try to build again, and it will tell you that okay, you added a break, that's fine. This is you have this, but you are still missing URLs and end screen. Fine. So let me add that one as well. I will add an end screen. I will add again a download button there. And now if I click build, I have only one warning, and that is again something that you have seen previously. It's these URLs. Let me do as well something else. Let me actually upload some larger file. And now you can see my Playable is more than 6.3 megabytes, which would probably not be nice because I uploaded too big of an asset. So if I now click build, we automatically give you this warning that your Playable is overreaching this kind of thing, and you can compress assets as you would like to. Now you are good to go. Let's again use Duolingo for an example. And let's say this time I want to build iron sort integral, or even all of them. That's depending on the subscription you have. On some subscription packages, you can select only 2 things at once or only once. I have got the biggest pro package, so of course I can select absolutely everything every time I'm building something. I click start build, and voila, I'm waiting for the ad networks that I selected, and the process is the same. I will download the files and I will use them in my campaigns. Hope you like it, and hope you will do a lot of build with us. Thank you, guys. Ciao, ciao.